Hi there, and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. In our previous lesson, we concluded how the markers be, de, and na in Nigerian Pidgin English compared to the verb to be in English. For those who have not seen those videos, please go check them out. Like I mentioned in the last lesson, in this lesson, we're going to cover WH question used with these markers be, de, and na in Nigerian Pidgin English. What are WH questions? WH questions, also known as open questions, are question words that begin with WH, with the exception of how. There are 7 of them in English. They are who, what, when, where, why, which, how. In Nigerian Pidgin English, these WH questions are the same with the exception of what, which loosely translates to waiting. However, some of them might be spelled and written differently in Nigerian Pidgin English, but we will stick to the English version of writing for easy understanding. Believe it or not, WH questions are quite important in the initial stages of learning any language because, for one, they break the ice in conversations with questions like, how are you? What is your name? Why do you want to know my name? What do you do? Where do you live? When is your birthday? What are your likes and dislikes? In this video, we're going to kick off with the WH questions of the marker be in Nigerian Pidgin English, starting with waiting, what? Examples. Waiting be that. What's that? Waiting be this. What's this? Waiting be your name. Now let's go to WH question where. Examples. Where be this? Where be your house? Where be the party? Now let's try. WH question which. Which car be your car? You can see that with the WH question which, a noun comes before the marker be and the complement. Which car be your car? Let's see another example. Which babe be that? WH question who? Examples. Who be that? Who be you? Or who you be? In Nigerian Pidgin English, the question can be asked in 2 ways. With the marker be after WH question who, or after the subject pronoun you. Who be our new Oga? WH question when. Examples. When be your birthday? When be the church service? When be Nigerian independence? When be your uncle wedding? Now let's look at WH question why. Unlike other WH question, why cannot be used with just the marker be directly. The marker be has to precede the verb say. Example, why be say you no come my party? Why be say equals why. It is a specific phrase and it can only be used in this form. The marker be cannot precede any other verb in this phrase. For example, one cannot say, why be run? Why be go? No. The phrase why be say can be used in the present, future, and past tenses. For example, present. Why be say you always be lie? Future. Why be say you go travel next week? Past. Why be say you buy car last week, you no tell me? Now let's go to WH question, how. It can be used in two forms. First, with a noun placed after the marker be, or with the marker be placed at the end of the question. For example, how be the business? How the business be? How be the girl? She fine? How the girl be? She fine? How be the church service? How the church service be? The use of how and the marker be can also be used with a specific popular phrase in Nigerian Pidgin English. How we go be? How we go be? Remember, for the greeting, how are you? We cannot say, how be you? This is wrong. We simply say, how far? Which is like a slang, or we use the marker day. How you day? Finally, when asking a question in the negative form with WH question in Nigerian Pidgin English with the marker be, just introduce the negation no before the marker be. The word order is WH question, subject, negation no, be plus the complement. Like why no be, waiting no be, how no be, where no be, and add the rest of the question. In our next class, we will look at WH questions where, why, which, who, what, and how with the marker they. Make sure you don't miss it. If you have any question on this topic or want to contribute to it, please use the comment section. I'll be more than glad to read from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep it locked on BDMP, Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. My name remains Bafo. Signing off. Peace is in. Bye.